Hey guys, today I'll be reading Olivia and the Sea Lions. Hey guys, today I'll be reading Olivia and the Sea Lions. It was the day that Olivia had been waiting for, the day her class was taking a field trip to the aquarium. Ian didn't understand why Olivia was so excited. "What's so great about seeing a fish tank?" he asked. "It's not just a fish tank," Olivia exclaimed. "The aquarium is giant fish tanks filled with every sea creature, most importantly, sea lions." At school, Mrs. Hagemuller went over the rules of the field trip. "Today we will be using the buddy system," explained Mrs. Hagemuller. "You will each stay with your buddy all day, and when I say buddy check, you are to hold hands with your buddy and raise them in the air so I can see you." "Any questions?" Olivia had a question. "Can I be buddies with Julian?" she asked, but Mrs. Hagemuller told Olivia that she was to be paired with Francine. Julian was to be paired with Harold. "We're going to have so much fun, buddy," Francine said to Olivia. "Let's practice walking." When the class reached the aquarium, Olivia really wanted to rush off into the sea lions, but first, she and her classmates had to listen to some more rules. From Mr. Busby, the aquarium director. He handed everyone a small booklet he called a passport. "As you view an exhibit, you will get a sticker that you will put in your passport to show you visited the exhibit," he explained. "Once your passport is full of stickers, come find Mrs. Hagemuller and me. The first buddies to collect all their stickers will win a little surprise out by the sea lion stage," added Mrs. Hagemuller. "Francine, let's hurry!" Olivia exclaimed as she grabbed Francine's hand. "I want to win that surprise." "I have a feeling it has something to do with sea lions." But Francine didn't want to hurry. She wanted to take her time and come up with a proper plan to visit all the exhibits. "I think we should view the exhibits in order from the smallest fish to the largest," she explained to Olivia. "Okay, but let's just get started," urged Olivia. And so Olivia and Francine toured the exhibits at the aquarium. They saw groupers and clownfish first, and seahorses and angelfish. They even saw an electric eel. "Buddy check," called Mrs. Hagemuller every now and then. Francine complained when they went out of order, but only a little bit. Olivia and Francine zipped through the exhibits until there was only one left. "Which way to the petting pool?" Olivia asked Harold and Julian. They pointed her in the right direction, but warned her to look out for the blue crab, because he was in a bad mood today. "That's the last sticker we need," Olivia told Francine. "Let's hurry." A few minutes later, Olivia and Francine proudly showed their full passports to Mrs. Hagemuller. "That's amazing!" exclaimed Mrs. Hagemuller. "How did you do it so fast?" "Some people are just better at the buddy system," Olivia explained happily. As the winners of the surprise, Olivia and Francine were allowed to feed the sea lions. "Who wants to go first?" asked the sea lion trainer. "You," said Francine when she saw what the sea lions would be eating. "If you don't mind, Olivia, I'll just watch while you feed them." "Are you ready, Olivia?" asked the sea lion trainer. "I thought you'd never ask," exclaimed Olivia. That evening, Olivia told her mother all about the time with the sea lions. "And then I taught the sea lion to walk backward and to stand on its flippers, and then I even fed it Harold's tuna fish sandwich. I think I speak sea lion." "How about speaking goodnight?" Mother asked as she tucked Olivia into bed. "Good night, Mom," Olivia murmured sleepily. "I love you, and I love sea lions." I hope you guys enjoyed Olivia and the Sea Lions, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.